slip knot on your hook. Place it on your hook, and like I said, we're only going to do 12 stitches here for brevity, but there's 18 stitches in the scarf, so be sure to check your pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now if you'll notice, what I'm doing here is I'm holding my hook like a bicycle handlebar. You want to hold it overhand. If you're a knitter, you already know how to hold your hook like this. But if you're a crocheter, try to hold your hook overhand. I know that some of you may hold your hook like this, but for Tunisian crochet, hold it overhand. Now, I'm turning the chain over. This is the front. I'm turning the chain over and I'm working into the back bar. Insert your hook and pull up a loop. Now you've got 2. Don't do anything with those 2 loops, just leave them there. Now insert your hook, pull up a loop, and that's 3. You're going to do that all the way across. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you'll have 12 loops on your hook. It will be the same number of loops as your initial chain. So if you have pulled up 18 loops, that will be because you had an initial chain of 18, which is the number for the scarf. Now this is a typical closing. We're going to chain 1 at the beginning. That's just yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2. Continue to pull through 2 all the way across. Pull through 2, 2, 2, all the way across. When you get finished pulling through 2, you will have 1 loop remaining on your hook, and you will have completed the foundation row. Tunisian simple stitch. We're going to skip this first vertical bar. The hook has a loop on it, which constitutes the first stitch, so we just skip that one. Now we're going to insert the hook side to side motion under this front vertical bar. Yarn over, pull a loop through, let it remain on the hook. This is a side to side motion all the way across. Right to left for right-handers, and left to right for left-handers. Yarn over, pull a loop through. It's just the front vertical bar. Very easy. Very easy side to side motion. As the loops fill on the hook, just allow them to spread apart. Don't try to keep them all bunched up under your hand. Spread them apart and allow your hand to relax over them. Now for this last loop, it looks a little different than the others. The reason why is because it's actually the chain 1 that you did in the closing. So you'll need to do something a little different. Insert your hook so that the 2 loops will stay on the outside there. Yarn over and pull a loop through. This will leave you a nice clean edge, and it's just a finishing technique. Now chain 1. Again, see, there's that chain 1 that will produce a different stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 just like you did before. Pull through 2 all the way across. And you're removing each stitch individually. Be careful not to pull through 3 accidentally. It can be very easy to pull through 3, which would reduce your stitches. Pull through 2 until you're back to 1 loop on your hook.